It's been a massive learning experience, and it's been a lot of fun. Guest speakers, the support around us has been amazing, and yeah, we've learnt a lot. We've found a lot of products, you know, many products and lots of ideas, and can't wait to launch as many as I can online, not just through Amazon, but eBay and everywhere I can, really. And not just, you know, what was great about the weekend was that, you know, China is a massive deal and launching products from China, but also with the guest speakers learning that, you know, great Australian-made products is potentially a massive market out there, and that you can potentially make a lot of coin from it. So yeah, the future for me, launch a successful Amazon business and store, really, and start selling as many products as I can and enjoying getting out of a 9 to 5 or 9 to, you know, forever job as a landscaper, and yeah, really enjoying just selling products online.